Welcome back MH Car Review, and today, we are doing something absolutely extraordinary. Forget everything you thought you knew about motorhomes, because what you are looking at right now is not just a vehicle. It is a moving 5-star hotel. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce ultra-luxury motorhome, and by the time this video is over, your jaw is going to be on the floor. Let us start from the outside, because the moment you lay eyes on this machine, you understand that Rolls-Royce has completely reimagined what a motorhome can be. The body is finished in a stunning pearl white with hand-applied gold accent pinstripes that run the full length of the coach. Every single panel on this vehicle is custom sculpted, with smooth organic curves that flow from them front nose all the way to the sweeping rear fascia. There are no sharp edges here. Everything is rounded, aerodynamic, and breathtakingly elegant. Up front, you get that iconic Rolls-Royce Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, sitting proudly above a wide panoramic windshield that wraps around the entire cockpit. The glass alone on this vehicle is something special. Floor-to-ceiling panels line both sides, giving the motorhome an almost architectural quality, like a glass penthouse on wheels. The wheel setup is jaw-dropping. This coach rides on 6 axles, each fitted with custom 24-inch multi-spoke gold alloy rims with black low-profile tires. They look like something you would see on a concept yacht, not a road vehicle. And topping it all off is a rooftop terrace, a full outdoor deck complete with lounge seating and a plunge pool. Yes, you heard that right. A plunge pool on a motorhome. That is the Rolls-Royce promise delivered. Now let us step inside, and trust me, nothing could prepare you for what you are about to see. The moment you walk through the custom coach door, you are greeted by a handcrafted interior that rivals the finest private jets in the world. The flooring is wide plank herringbone hardwood, sourced from sustainably managed forests and finished by hand. The ceiling is a full starlight fiber optic headliner, thousands of individual hand-set fibers creating a living night sky above you at all times. The main lounge features a custom curved sofa upholstered in the finest Seville Rograde ivory leather, with a floating gold and Calacatta marble coffee table as the centerpiece. Every surface in this vehicle, every door panel, every armrest, every cabinetry face is finished in either quilted leather, brushed gold, or hand polished wood veneer. This is not mass production. Every square inch has been touched by a craftsperson. Moving back into the master bedroom suite, you get a king-size floating bed with a quilted bespoke headboard, cashmere throws, and crystal sconce lighting on either side. The wardrobe system is built in with mirrored panels and concealed LED strip lighting. Adjacent to the bedroom is a full marble wet room with dual rainfall showers, a deep soaking tub, and gold plumbing fixtures throughout. The kitchen is a culinary masterpiece. White marble countertops with gold veining, a professional-grade induction cooking range, a built-in espresso and coffee bar, and custom ivory lacquer cabinetry with gold hardware. There is even a small herb garden window box, so fresh ingredients are always on hand. This kitchen is better equipped than most London restaurant kitchens. Every window throughout the interior is frameless panoramic glass, offering completely unobstructed views of whatever landscape you happen to be driving through. When you are parked in the Swiss Alps or on the Amalfi Coast, those views become a living work of art inside your own private suite. Now I know what you are thinking: with a vehicle this size and this heavy, how on earth does it perform? Well, Rolls-Royce has not cut corners here either. Under the hood, this coach is powered by a twin-turbocharged V16 engine producing an estimated 1,500 horsepower and over 2,000 Newton-meters of torque. That power is managed through a 10-speed adaptive automatic transmission with an intelligent all-wheel drive system specifically tuned for a vehicle of this size and weight. Despite its extraordinary proportions, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome can achieve highway cruising speeds of up to 130 kilometers per hour with supreme composure. The air suspension system is adaptive and self-leveling, meaning that whether you are loaded with luggage or empty, the ride height and comfort level remain absolutely consistent. The suspension tuning has been specifically developed to isolate the interior from road noise and vibration, so even at speed, you could hear a pin drop in that lounge. Rolls-Royce calls it the magic carpet ride, and out here on a grand scale, it truly lives up to that name. And now the question everyone has been waiting for. How much does all of this cost? Well, the 2026 Rolls-Royce ultra-luxury motorhome carries a base starting price of approximately $15 million. Yes, $15 million. And that is before you factor in the bespoke customization options, which Rolls-Royce's private office division will tailor entirely to your personal specification. Individual commissions with premium material upgrades, custom paint, additional technology packages, and one-of-a-kind interior designs can push the final price well beyond $20 million. But let us be honest, if you are buying this vehicle, price is not really the conversation. This is about owning something that has never existed before. Something that blends automotive engineering, luxury hospitality, architectural design, and pure Rolls-Royce craftsmanship into a single rolling masterpiece. This is not just a motorhome. This is a statement. This is legacy on wheels. And for those who can afford it, this is without question the most extraordinary way to travel the surface of this earth. That is going to wrap things up for today here on MH Car Review. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe if you have not already, and drop a comment below. Would you take this on the road if money were no object? I will see you in the next one. Stay luxurious.